soft chutney. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan, very little oil. Pour all this and fry for 3 minutes. I guess mine is too much. You can make less quantity also. And stir it very well. For 3 minutes you have to fry this. We will come back after 3 minutes. Okay, I have turned off the flame and now I will be adding turmeric, salt as required, cumin, you can add the seeds as well because it's going to be grinded. I don't have the seeds. And the garlic, I guess 4 or 5 pieces would be enough. And vinegar. This is optional. White vinegar. If you want, you can add. If you don't want, you cannot add. Stir very well and keep it for some time. And make your mixer ready. It's an easy, tasty, spicy chutney. I have added everything on my grinder. Sorry, mixer. Grinder. It's the same thing. Oh, sorry. I'll be adding a little water to this. If required, we will add later more. And it's done. Wow. I will add a little more water because this looks thick. Too hot. And done. We will be making the tasty and spicy red chili chutney. So let's get started. I will add all these chilies in my grinder mixer. I will add garlic, little salt, cumin powder. You can add the seeds as well. I have the powder. Coriander seeds and a little water. Cover the lid and run. Okay. I guess the water is less. I will add more water. It's very spicy. My whole eyes is burning now. And we are done. Very nice. I will serve this in a plate. You can store it in the fridge for many days and use with your food.